did these in class. Okay, did slow on these, hoping you'll get it. If not, we did this in class, so back, go, this is x plus 50. Back is x, so this is 1/2 x plus 50, and that's x. Okay, let's solve this. They have a total of, they want to make a total of $600. X plus 50 is Maine. Washington is 1/2 x plus 50. And then that is x. And then that add up to $600. Okay, combine all these together. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 plus 1/2 is 2 and 1/2. X plus the constant is 100 equals to 600 minus 100. We get 2 and 1/2 x equals to 500. Let's make it improper. 5 over 2 x equals to 500. Okay, here you can multiply by least common denominator of 2 and then divide by 5, or divide by its reciprocal, 2 over 5, or I'm going to multiply by least common denominator. 5x equals 1,000. Okay, and then divide by 5, I get 200. $200. Backstreet needs to make $200. Backstreet needs to make $200. Backstreet plus 50 is 250. And 1/2 times 200. 1/2 times 200. Half of 200 is 100 plus 50 is 150. So, these are my answers for each. Maine has to make $250. Let me change colors so it's not. Maine has to make $250. Washington has to make, you finish this, 150, and then back has to make 200. Okay, on number 1 here, I'm going to do one of these. Make sure you do additive inverse. It's going to be on your test again. Plus a negative. So I'm going to use 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's -2 parentheses x plus a -3 plus 4 is no solution. So hopefully it doesn't add up to 5, right? Let's see. Or a -5 anyways. That's -2x plus 6 plus 4. Distribute, me at 6 equals 2. Oh, this needs to be -2. -2x. Okay, plus a -5 or -5. That would be no solution because the coefficient are the same. So -2x plus 6, that's 10. And you add 2x, add 2x. 0 plus 10 is 10. 0 plus -5 is -5. No solution. Make it infinite. Okay. I need this to be -5. So let's do -2, -3 again. Okay, so if I get I get 2x plus 6, distribute. Okay, how do I get negative 5? How to get negative 5 from this is add negative 11, right? I would get negative 2x plus negative 5. Okay, and then that gives me, on the other side, negative 2x plus negative 5. So negative 2x plus negative 5. And add 2x, add 2x. 0 plus negative 5 is negative 5. 0 plus negative 5 is negative 5. Okay? One equation. Oh, one equation. You make anything you want. As long as the coefficients are different, right? Now let's go 10, 20, 30. Big numbers. Let's see. Negative 10, parentheses x minus 30, minus, 20, 20 and then 30. Right? Plus. What's a plus right here? So plus 30. Distribute negative 10x. This is to a negative 20. That's a positive 200 plus 30. So negative 10x plus 230. And this is one solution, so this needs to be different. Let's say 9x. No. Negative 9x. Negative 9 minus 5. Okay. You can make whatever you want. I add 10x. Add 10x. You'll see why I choose negative 9. That's 1x. Minus 5 equals to 230. Add 5. Add 5. So x for me here is 235. As long as the coefficients here are different, you'll get one solution, okay? Coefficients are different. And how do you know it's no solution? How did I know? To know no solution because the coefficient are the same, coefficient of negative 2 are the same and has different constant. And the constants here are 10 and negative 5. This one is infinite because the coefficients are the same. Infinite solution because a lot of you don't write this, which I don't like. Infinite solution because the constant, no, the coefficient, sorry. Are the same and the coefficient, I need to put the number in, bad Miss Wilcox, right? The coefficient is here negative 2 and constant negative 5 are the same on both sides. Of the equal sign. sides of the equal sign. Okay, one solution, because basically one solution because coefficient, that's coefficient, are different. Once the coefficient are different, it doesn't matter with the constant. They're going to be one solution. Can you try? You guys know how to do this. Be careful here with the additive inverse plus a negative, and that's a 1. Then distribute and then solve. Most of this seem pretty good. Make sure you do additive inverse so you make little mistakes. I want to go over this here because some of you did it differently. It's negative 7m equals to this side here is 7 plus a negative 6m plus negative 24 plus a negative m. Negative 7m equals to negative 7m. Combine these that are alike, and that is plus a negative 17. Okay, make 7m equal to 0, add 7m, add 7m, that's 0, that's also 0, 0 plus nothing here is 0. That's 0 plus negative 17 is negative 17, no solution. Okay. This will be one solution, the coefficient is different, and you guys know how to do the rest. Be careful, additive inverse, okay? Okay, number 5. 3 waiter at a local restaurant earned different amount of money that past week. Jennifer, okay, Jennifer, we got Jennifer. Earned 40 less than Flip minus 40, twice the amount of Tony earns. So twice the amount of Tony goes first. Twice the amount of, twice is 2 times, Tony. We don't know Tony. Chris earned, so the next person is Chris. Earned 60 more than Flip. Tony comes first. 60. How much did each waiter earn if they earn a total of 900? Okay, so in all of this we don't know Tony. So therefore, because we know nothing on Tony, Tony gets a variable, x. So go back and give x to Tony. 2 times Tony, which is x, minus 4, Tony plus 60. And they have to all add up to 90, so we need to take that. 2x plus minus 4 plus a negative 4, and x plus 60, and x for Tony. You add them together, you get 4x plus 56 equals to 900. Minus 56, because we combine these two together. For x equals to 844, right? Divide by 4. X equals 211. So Tony earns $211 as a waiter each week, that week. So Tony is $211. Let's find out Tony earned $211. Tony is X, 211, add to 60. Chris earned $271, because 211 plus 60. And who's the last person? Jennifer. Jennifer earned okay, 2 times 211, that's 422 minus 4. You guys figure 400 minus 4 is $418. Okay. Number 6. 4 friends has different number of video games in their home. Jorge, let's go with Jorge. We got Jorge. Has equals 3 times as many video games as Carla. So 3 times Carla. Marcus has half. Okay, so Marcus, next person is Marcus. Okay, anytime you see the word half, it's time, a third, all that. Any fraction, it's times. Half. Marcus has half as many as Jorge. Half as Jorge. Dominic has 2 less than, okay, minus 2, flip it, 4 times as many videos as Carla. So 4 times as many video as Carla is 4 times as many videos as Carla. How many videos does each person have if they have a total of 169 video games? Okay, so in all this we don't know Carla. So Carla gets an X. Okay, so go back. Jorge is 3 times Carla. And Marcus is 3 times Jorge. So Jorge in this case is 3x. So 2 over 3x. Multiply that. 1 times 3 is 3x. Carla's x right here. So this one is 4x minus 2. Add them all up. Okay. This 3x plus this plus this. All right. Let's see. We got the like terms. Oops. 7. This is 4, 1 and 1/2, right? X. So 7 plus this 1 is 8. 8 plus that half is half x plus this 2. 169 minus 2 minus 2. We get, let's just make this improper now. Okay, that's 7. Okay, let's get rid of the fraction. Multiply by least common denominator times 2. 17x equals to twice that. 14 divide by 17. I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. 334 divide by 17. This is a mistake. We can't have portion of a video game. Did I make a mistake somewhere? It should have not been. Anyways, they shouldn't have a portion of a video game. Doesn't make sense. So we'll just skip that problem. Oops, Miss Wilcox gave you the wrong number. Number 7. Same thing on number 7. Let's see number 7. Tommy gives baseball cards to 4 of his friends. He gives Justin 3 cards less than he gives to Michael. Okay, so Justin is equal to 3 cards less than Michael. So it's Michael minus 3. He gives Jesus 7 more than Justin. So Justin Morse plus 7. He gives Willa twice, that means 2 times, as many as Michael. Okay, how many card does Tommy give to his friend? He gives a total of 74. Okay, whose name do we not see? Michael. We know nothing on Michael. So Michael is equals to x. So therefore x minus 3. Okay, Justin. That's for Justin. Justin then is right here. X minus 3 plus the 7. Michael's x here. It's 2x. Okay. This can be simplified to x plus 4. Total of 74. So we need to equal to 74, right? First x minus 3, then x plus 4, then 2x, then x. Add 1, 4, 5, 5x. That combined to a plus 1. Did I do something wrong again? I did, because it doesn't come up right, minus 1, minus 1. Because you can't give portion of a card. Okay. I gave the wrong number again, because you can't have half of a card or a portion of a card. I meant to make it so, okay, I need to retype these. Anyways, you can stop here. As long as you can get here, you're good. If you can get this far, the rest you can substitute input. I just gave you the wrong numbers.